Hey, what is up? I run a $1 million per year business, completely automated, that does not require any employees or anything. It's just me. And recently, someone asked me, how much money do you make with one post? And I had absolutely no idea. And so what I've decided to do is I'm running a test for the next 60 days. Here, I'm going to track one post that I made, and I will see over time how much money I make with this post cumulatively. Okay? This is what we're going to see, and you're going to be amazed. I'm going to show you the first post, and then I added the second one, and the money that I was able to make with this is going to shock you. So without further ado, let's get on my computer. All right, so if you've been following this series, you have seen this. And last time I checked, we were at maybe like $1,000 or something. And so on this first post, so this is the one that I started with. At the moment, we are at $1,200. So $1,241.33, okay? One post. What I want to demonstrate here is the power of social media and the technique that I use, and I'm going to explain exactly what it is, that basically shows you that I posted a few days ago, exactly on the 27th, and then since then, every single day, the same exact post is making me money. So this is my earning, this is the sales amount, but this is what money goes in my pocket. And every single day, imagine you do the work once and then you reap the benefits forever. So before I wasn't tracking this because I'm just doing this over and over and over and just like adds up in my bank account. But here I was curious myself to know how much money I actually made. So on this one here, you can see it's $1,241.33 on post. Okay. So I decided, hey, let me do another post on a different network so that I can see how it works for the other program and on the other network. And if you've been following the series as well, I showed you basically so I had a really pretty good day recently with like $361. And yesterday it was $111 that were generated on this platform. So if I look in the back end of the platform here, you can see the amounts that were generated. So this is yesterday. You can see this is the $111, and there are like a whole bunch of like commissions there. And I already kind of like added the rounded the numbers up for you guys because my math is bad. And basically this is what we have. So we have on the first platform, remember this one here, we have $1,241. And on the other platform that I actually started a little bit later, then we have $627.88. And so the total for two posts, only two posts that I've done a few days ago, and since then I haven't moved a muscle, is $1,869.21. This is pretty insane. It's pretty amazing to me how the work that you did once a few weeks ago is now going to start paying dividends. Now, the beauty with my strategy is what? Is that this is only going to start accelerating and going up. Why? How am I doing this? This is what I'm going to explain now. How am I doing this? So I'm basically using Pinterest, okay? And you can see there's some of these pins here have generated, like this is outbound clicks. These are people who clicked on the pin and went to the affiliate offer or to my own offer or anything, okay? And that basically, I created a system that creates everything for me. So it means it creates the idea of what to post based on numbers, on what people are actually interested in. I don't actually need to know, and I can do it in any market, okay? So my robot is gonna figure out what is it that we need to post about. Then it is going to create the graphics, everything that is needed, so it can do videos, it can do images. Then it's going to write all the captions and the text and everything, and then it is going to post it for me a few times a day. And there is nothing I have to do. And what happens is what you're seeing here is now all these pieces of content, they now get clicks. And these clicks are then sent over to these networks that you see, and they're transformed into dollars. This is where the money comes from. So basically when you post on social media, I'm not just posting because I want to post. I post with a purpose. I send these people over to an affiliate offer. So again, this system It's completely hands-off. It's completely automated, okay? I perfected it over years, and now I'm running this experiment where I can see exactly how much one piece of content is making in my business. Because before I had no idea. I just get, a lot of money arriving on my bank account every single day, and it just comes from all over the place. And to be honest, I was like, why would I bother actually checking, what individual post does? Because I'm not the one doing the post. There are like hundreds of them, okay? But this experiment is so revealing for me, and it basically shows the power of this method, okay? So imagine, without you having to do anything, how would you like to be able to earn $170 without doing anything? You wake up, the money is there, $110, right? Here, $361. I just wake up, the money is there, and I did the work once. So I'm gonna keep running this experiment. It's so cool. It's super revealing, even for me. That gives me like so much data, because there are people who join my community. They want to join my community, and they ask me, okay, how much money can I make? And when you make a post, how much money can you expect to make? And I was like, dude, I don't know, right? I make so many posts, I don't know. Now I have the information. That's the reason why I started this whole project, okay? Now, if you guys are interested in learning how I do it, and not just learning it, is you copy the whole thing. So the bot that's doing this, that's creating all the, the idea, the graphics, the text, the posting, everything, it's in my program. You get all of them, and you don't have to build them. You press a button, you will import them in your account, and then you change one variable, which is, okay, you just connect your account, you're good to go. If this is something that you want, and you can see the results here, the results are pretty amazing. Like in, 27th, maybe in like 2 weeks or something, by posting twice. I just posted twice. This is how much money it made me. Imagine what would happen in 1 year with this one post. Imagine how much money you can make. It's completely crazy, okay? So you have a unique opportunity. There is a link right under here. Click on the link, and in this program, I am basically going to reveal exactly how it works, and I'm gonna give you the robot so that you can do the exact same thing, but you'll be able to do it on steroids. I just did 2 posts here because I'm doing my test to track the revenue per, but then you can do 20, 30, 40 of these posts per day. And that really adds up, man. And dude, so anyway, everything is here. I will come back with a new update, very soon, where you will see how these 2 posts are evolving, and over time, how much money can I realistically make with just like 2 posts with. And I will say, sometimes you will say with 1 hour of work, I didn't do anything. The bot did it. All right. So, I didn't do anything. I did create the bot and I configured the bot, but that was like a year ago. All right. For this that you were seeing there, I didn't do anything. And now we're close to 1,000. We're going to reach the $2,000 very, very quickly with just 2 posts, which is completely insane. Okay. Anyway, so if you want that in your life, if you could do with extra money without doing extra work, no extra stress, and no extra headaches having to find VAs and get on a call and talk to people and stuff, then there's a link here. Go grab it, and I will see you in the next video, in the next update. See you guys. Thank you very much.